Three contractors can walk the same renovation and hand you three very different numbers. It is tempting to take the lowest one, but the lowest number on the page is rarely the lowest number you actually pay. Inside is a nine-tab workbook, a native Google Sheets copy, a Start Here guide, a companion method guide, a 46-line site visit checklist, and a fully worked example already filled in. Prefer Google Sheets? One click makes your own editable copy, no importing needed. The workbook also opens cleanly in Excel and in LibreOffice. The scope ledger preloads 46 lines across 7 phases of a renovation. For every bid, mark each line included, excluded, and allowance, unclear, or not applicable, so every line has an answer on the page rather than in your memory. Comparable cost takes each bid's headline price, adds back what it excludes at your own cost, and adds any shortfall where an allowance falls short of what you actually chose. Nothing is typed here, it is calculated. One bid quoted $52,400, but once $13,150 of excluded work and a $6,000 allowance shortfall are added in, it compares at $71,550. Results in ranking lines every bid up side by side, headline price next to comparable total, and ranks them once everything is accounted for. The workbook writes the conclusion for you. In the example, the bid quoted at $52,400 actually compares at $71,550, which puts it last of the four on cost, while a bid quoted at $63,900 compares at $67,900 and turns out to be the cheapest job. Cheapest is not the same as best though, and the scorecard is where that gets settled. Beyond price, the Decision Scorecard weighs 9 criteria that matter on a real job. Its cost and value row is calculated from the comparable total, not typed in. Every line marked unclear or excluded becomes a specific question on the Gaps and Questions tab, ready to take back to the contractor. BidFacts holds each contractor's name, their quoted price, and the basics of their bid side by side on one tab. The warranty block on BidFacts tracks what each contractor stands behind in writing and flags a heavy deposit or a lump sum bid as worth asking about. Deposit limits and licensing rules vary by state, so check what applies where you live. The How to Score guide defines a plain 1 to 5 scale for every criterion in observable terms, not vague gut feel. A 9-section Start Here guide walks through the workbook step by step, and a companion method guide works the full example from bid to decision. Print the checklist for the walkthrough itself. All 46 scope lines are laid out with ruled space for notes, ready to fold into a clipboard. Every figure you have seen is fictional, built to show you the method. This workbook does not estimate what your renovation should cost, and it does not verify anyone's license or insurance. It is a decision-making and planning template, not legal, financial, or construction advice. Buy it once and it is yours. No seats, no monthly fee. Own your next decision. Do not rent it.